NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 10. Points A, minus 6, 10, B, minus 4, 6, and C, 3, minus 8 are collinear such that AB is equal to 2 by 9 times AC. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given 3 points A, B and C which are collinear, and we are given a relation between the distances AB and AC. AB is equal to 2 by 9 times AC. Now let us see the approach. The given statement is in two parts. The first part is ABC are collinear and the second part is relation between the distances. To check if A, B and C are collinear, we have to check if area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Area of triangle ABC is 0. That is the first part. The second part is to check if AB is equal to 2 by 9 times AC. We find the distances AB and AC, find the ratio AB by AC and check if it is equal to 2 by 9. Let us find the area of triangle ABC. The given points are A, B and C. Let the point A be x1, y1, point B x2, y2, point C x3, y3. And what is the formula for area of triangle when we are given 3 points? Area is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Substitute these points in the area formula. Equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is minus 6, y2 is 6 minus y3 is minus 8 plus x2 is minus 4, y3 is minus 8 minus y1 is 10 plus x3 is 3, y1 is 10 minus y2 is 6 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 6 of 6 minus of minus 8 is 14 minus 4 minus 8 minus 10 is minus 18 plus 3 times 10 minus 6 is 4 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 6 times 14 minus 84 minus 4 times minus 18 plus 72. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 84 plus 72 and plus 12 is 0. 1 by 2 modulus of 0 is 0. We have found that the area of the triangle formed by the points A, B and C is 0, which means points A, B and C are collinear. The first part of the given statement is. Now let us check the second part, relation between the distances AB and AC. Let us find the distance AB. Consider the point A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. And what is the distance formula for these 2 points? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to root over x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is minus 6 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 10 whole square equal to root over minus 4 plus 6 is 2 whole square plus 6 minus 10 is minus 4 whole square equal to root over 2 square is 4 minus 4 whole square is 16 root over 20. 20 can be written as 4 times 5, 2 square into 5. Let us bring 2 out of the square root. 2 times root 5. Therefore the distance AB is equal to 2 times root 5 units. Now let us find the distance AC. Consider the point A as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. And the formula for the distance between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to root over. Let us substitute the points in the distance formula. x2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 8 minus y1 is 10 whole square equal to root over 3 minus of minus 6 is 9 square plus minus 8 minus 10 whole square is minus 18 whole square 9 square is 81, minus 18 whole square is 324. And the sum is 405. 405 can be written as 81 times 5. 81 is 9 square. Let us bring 9 out of the root. 9 times root 5. Therefore, distance between the points A and C, AC is 9 times root 5 units. Now let us find the ratio AB by AC. AB is 2 times root 5. AC is 9 times root 5. We can cancel root 5 from both numerator and denominator, which is equal to 2 by 9. We have validated the second part of the given statement. We have verified that the points are collinear and the relation between distances AB and AC is as in the given statement. Therefore, we can say that the given statement is true.